How to get best one state RP or one state roleplay promo codes. In this video, I'm going to provide you one specific resources for you to be able to use a working discount or promo codes just for one state RP. Now, first things first, before you head straight and purchase any products that is available on one state RP, let's just create a new tab on your web browser that you're using and simply type in one state RP. Simply type in one state RP promo codes. Of course, you're going to be seeing a lot of results here, especially with BlueStacks, with Reddit, and so on and so forth. All I have to do is scroll down and then choose on the LD player link. Now, under the table of contents, choose on list of all valid one state RP redeem codes. Now, you should now then be able to see this code right here, but as you can see, there is a highlighted message here that these codes are expired. However, not all of the codes is going to be working because some of these codes right here does not have an expiration date. And that's it. Copy the code and then paste it into your payment tab on OneState RP. That's how you find the best OneState RP promo codes.